The FDA has identified the top 10 food safety violations. By knowing these top 10 violations and the solutions that can help avoid them, it can help food service operators ensure they're serving safe food to customers and are staying compliant with federal food safety code regulations. Ecolab offers a variety of solutions that can help reduce potential health department violations. Improper cooling of cooked foods is the #1 violation discovered in restaurants. Restaurants should cool food rapidly by using an ice bath, reducing products into smaller portions, using chilling equipment, or using shallow containers for spreadable food. The FDA Food Code states foods should be cooled from 135 degrees to 70 degrees in 2 hours, and then from 70 degrees to 41 degrees in the next 4 hours. Products that Ecolab offers to help customers comply with this code and avoid a violation include Rapacool chilling containers, thermometers, and record-keeping charts. The second most common violation is improper hand washing. Proper hand washing is necessary to remove bacteria and minimize food contamination by employees. Hands should be washed for at least 20 seconds. The FDA Food Code states that managers should monitor employee hand washing practices and should have signs posted to remind employees to wash hands. Ecolab's hand washing posters, hand nail and brush kit, Nexa hand soap, and Syncra Total Hand Hygiene System are just a few products that support proper hand washing. Improper cold holding of food temperatures is the third most common violation. Ready-to-eat foods prepared on site should be kept at 41 degrees or colder, except during preparation or cooking and cooling. Food service workers should check food temperatures with a thermometer to ensure they are within the correct temperature range. Ecolab offers an extensive selection of thermometers to help food service operators maintain proper holding temperatures. Finding contaminated food contact surfaces and utensils is the fourth most common violation. Food contact surfaces, including cutting boards, utensils, slicers, and mixers, should be cleaned and sanitized after every use, after 4 hours of continuous use, or in between raw and ready-to-eat foods. Food service wipers should be kept in sanitizing solution or proper concentration. Ecolab sanitizer pails, detergent pails, sanitizer solutions, food service wipers, and test strips are all excellent solutions for preventing contamination of food contact surfaces. Violations 5 and 6 are all about labeling, and the fifth most common violation is not properly labeling ready-to-eat foods made on-site. FDA Food Code states that food prepared on-site that will not be used within 24 hours must be labeled with a use-by date. In addition, it is industry best practice to label all prepared or repackaged foods. The sixth most common violation is not properly labeling open containers of commercially prepared foods. Food service operators must label opened containers of commercially prepared foods with the open date and use-by date if the product will not be used within 24 hours. FDA Food Code also requires foods to be used within 7 days after opening. Ecolab offers a wide range of food rotation labels to help operators properly label foods according to FDA guidelines. And our Prep and Print system takes this solution to the next level by creating a complete food rotation program. Hand contamination of ready-to-eat foods is the seventh most common violation. The CDC reports that handling food with bare hands is the most common means of transmitting gastrointestinal viruses and bacteria to foods. Washing hands is not enough to protect foods from contamination, and the FDA Food Code does not allow bare hand contact with food. Ecolab offers a full line of disposable food safety gloves, which, if used properly, is one of the most effective solutions for preventing food contamination caused by bare hand contact. Failure to separate raw animal foods from ready-to-eat foods is the eighth most common violation. Food operators should designate separate areas of storage for refrigeration of raw animal foods and ready-to-eat foods to prevent cross-contamination. Operators should also use separate food preparation areas or use designated color-coded equipment. Ecolab's color-coded cutting boards, utensils, and knives make ideal solutions for effectively separating raw animal foods from ready-to-eat foods. Not properly maintaining hot holding temperatures of cooked foods is the 9th most common violation. Except during preparation, cooking, or cooling, hot food should be maintained at temperatures of 135 degrees or higher, according to the FDA Food Code. Ecolab offers a variety of thermometers that can be used to monitor food temperatures during holding. Record-keeping charts also play an important role in successfully maintaining appropriate food temperatures. Improper reheating of foods is the 10th most common violation. Previously cooked and cooled foods should be heated within 2 hours to an internal temperature of 165 degrees for at least 15 seconds. They should be then kept warm at a minimum temperature of 135 degrees or higher. Ecolab's Pocket Dial thermometer and timer are tools that can be combined to effectively reheat foods according to guidelines, while a pair of quality oven mitts can assist with ensuring employees stay safe during the process. By keeping in mind these top 10 common violations and being aware of the appropriate actions to prevent them, food operators and managers are empowered to establish effective practices for maintaining a fully compliant operation. As experts in the industry, Ecolab is here to help with a wide variety of products and solutions designed to support any organization's food safety initiatives.